What is the connection between attachment style and relationship satisfaction? That's the question I asked myself after I watched the movie 100 Days of Summer. 100 Days of Summer reminded me of the attachment styles that I had learned in my lifespan development class as a college student. And it's your typical boy meets girl movie. The girl in the movie, her name was Summer, thus 100 Days of Summer. And his name was Tom. And they never quite figured it out. And I think it had a lot to do with their attachment style. So attachment theory basically says that we have different styles based on how we see our relationships and how we interact with others, based on the two behaviors of anxiety and avoidance. Tom in the movie, he was very anxious about the relationship, and he had very low avoidance. We would call him the preoccupied attachment style. He was clingy, he was needy, he always wanted to know, how their relationship was and where it was going, and he always wanted to know how she was doing and to talk to her every day. Summer, on the other hand, had very low anxiety, and she had high avoidance, so she was the polar opposite from Tom. Her attachment style was dismissive, and it didn't work out well. While he was being clingy, she was pushing him away. She didn't really want to call it anything. She didn't even want to call it a relationship, right? She just wanted to keep it casual. And that really got me wondering about attachment style and how it's related to relationship satisfaction. Attachment style research is usually based in children, but I wanted to apply this concept to adults and see if it makes a difference in our relationships. I mean, obviously, I'm assuming that two people who have secure attachment styles would have the best relationship. But what other pairings would be mistakes? Dismissive and preoccupied is a pretty bad one. But what about fearful and preoccupied, right? You have two highly anxious people, one is avoidant and one is clingy. I don't think that would work out either. I really think that somebody should look into this sometime and see if there really is a connection. Maybe so.